Make a great choice today with the 2016 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find capless fuel filler system, transmission temperature gauge, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.